runs on energy, but it needs to be converted into a usable form first. And forms do this by trapping the energy in materials and releasing it later, much like a coiled spring or an elastic substance. Specifically, plant forms fuse carbon dioxide and water together using sunlight, essentially trapping the energy in the glucose. And when they need to use the energy, they react the glucose with oxygen to break it back down into carbon dioxide and water, releasing the trapped energy. This leaves zero waste. Carbon dioxide and water are constantly being converted into glucose and oxygen, while glucose and oxygen are simultaneously being broken back down into carbon dioxide and water while releasing energy, thereby balancing both sides. This is important as an excess of either side can cause unforeseen issues. Just on the surface, if all the carbon dioxide theoretically were to be converted into glucose, then plant forms cannot photosynthesize and would die. If all the glucose were to be converted into carbon dioxide, then plant forms cannot respire and would also die. We humans obtain our energy by mostly burning fossil fuels. We react them with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water, but we cannot convert the carbon dioxide and water back into fossil fuels. This results in a buildup of carbon dioxide with consequences that we're all familiar with. This pattern also continues into our plastic problem as well. We can polymerize crude oil into plastics, but we cannot break them back down into their original monomers. Nature uses polymers as well, such as proteins and fats, but they don't cause problems as bacteria know how to break them down. Almost all of our environmental problems stem from an imbalance of materials. We either cannot break stuff or build it back. Therefore, to transition towards clean energy, we have to find a system where we can convert a low energy material into a high energy state and then release that energy, then repeat that process, leaving us with zero waste. We have already dabbled in this technology. For example, the hydrogen fuel cell, which converts hydrogen and oxygen into water. Then we can later electrolyze the water back into hydrogen and oxygen. It's not a perfect solution, but it's a step in the right direction.